So let's move to the advanced divisibility part of it. There you will be more clear with these concepts. First of all, quickly tell me which of the following is not a factor of 18648. Quickly, which one is not a factor of this number? D. Okay, others quickly reply. The question is, which of the following is not a factor of 18648? Is 4 a factor? What is the rule? Last two digits. Yes, it is a factor. Is 7 a factor? This will be plus and minus. Okay. Priyam, just wait. I want to tell you the concept also. Just wait for few seconds. Okay. We will do everything. I'll tell you the concept for each and every number. What's the concept behind this? So just wait. Don't. I will also for 11. I will tell you by two methods. So don't worry about it. So what is 648 minus 18? 630. Okay, so 630, this leaves between 63, 63, 3 to 2, 6, that is 0. And this is divisible by 7. What about 9? Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Yes, it is divisible. Answer is 27. To check 27, add these two. 3 ka pair plus and then plus. So 648 plus 18, right? This will be 666. And is this divisible by 27? No. Hence, if this number is not divisible by 27. Okay. Now we have discussed the basic divisibility part. Yes, 27 में add करते हैं सच. We have discussed the basic divisibility part. Now we will discuss the advanced divisibility part. Okay. Yes, 3 के pair में. I have told you this in the last lecture. We discussed this in the last lecture. Okay. Let's have a look at the advanced divisibility. Now, what is this advanced divisibility? Basically, till now you have learned rules. That what is divisibility, how can I apply it, what is the rule, okay, make pair of 3, make pair of 2 or whatever. Here you will see why to do it. Okay. Like what about divisibility of 7? What have I told you for divisibility of 7? Make pair of 3, make 3 pairs and put alternate plus and minus, right? This is what I have told you for larger numbers. Okay. But what is the concept behind this? See, 7 into 11 into 13 is what? 1001. You have to remember this. That 7 into 11 into 13 is what? 1001. Okay. Now, if I am doing 1000 mod 1001, 1000 mod 1001, that is, if 1000 is divided by 1001, then what is the remainder? I will get minus 1 as the remainder, right? I hope this is clear. We discussed the remainder also in the first class. That what is a remainder? Is there only one remainder? No, there are multiple remainders. 1000 is also a remainder, minus 1 is also a remainder, right? And so on. If I'm adding 101 to it, then also minus 1002 is also a remainder. So there can be infinite remainders, right? Yeah, so if this is minus 1, so let's say there is a number that is given here on your screen. For example, I have taken this number 23714256. Why we are making this rule? See, what we are supposed to do for divisibility of 7, what we are supposed to do? Make pair of 3s, 3, 3, alternate plus, minus, plus. This is what we are supposed to do, right? But why we are doing this? Look here. Still here, is it clear, everyone? Any doubts still here? Okay. So, yeah. So why we are doing this? Can I break this number into this form that I have written on your screen? Check here, which I'm the one that I'm encircling right now. I can write this number in this form, right? 2 into 10 to the power 7 plus 3 into 10 to the power 6 and so on and so on and so on, right? Now, if I have taken 10 to the power 6 common from these two numbers, okay? From these two numbers, I have taken 10 to the power 6 common. Why am I taking 10 to the power 6 common? Because I know that 10 cube mod 1001 is nothing but minus 1, okay? So I want to have something which has 10 cube or multiple of 10 cube, right? So this is what I have taken 10 to the power 6 common. Let me erase everything on this. This is what I have taken 10 to the power 6 common from here. I have taken 10 cube common from here, from these three numbers, and the remaining part is 256. Is this clear, guys? Is this part clear? I have simply taken 10 to the power 6 common from here, 10 cube common from here, and I have written the remaining part as 256. What is the issue, Manali? In which part? Tell me. What do you want me to repeat? Entire? Want me to repeat the entire thing? Okay. See, we are seeing divisibility by 7, 11, or 13. Now, 7 into 11 into 13 is what? 1001. Okay. Suppose, Manali, if I am asking you, tell me what is 1000 mod 1001. What you will say? So the remainder is minus 1, right? You will tell me this only, okay? That if you divide this by 1001, then the remainder should be minus 1. I'll say okay. As 7 into 11 into 13 is 1001, so the rules that will be there for 1001, the same rules will be followed by these three numbers. Now, because this is 1000, I know that 1000 mod 1001 is minus 1, and this is followed by 7, 11, and 13. So suppose now if I'm asking you, tell me, Manali, what will be the, whether this number is divisible or not. There's 2, 3, 7, 1, 4, 2, 5, 6. Whether this number is divisible by 7 or not, and what you will do? You know that 1000 mod 1001 is minus 1, right? So you will try to make as many thousands as possible. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm making as many thousands as possible, right? Anyways, this is the concept part of it. I'm just explaining you the concept part. For short trick, I've already told you what to do, but this is the concept behind it, why we are doing it. So yeah, here I've taken 10 to the power 6 common, here 10 cube common, and it is here it is as it is 256. Now let me separate it out. If I divide this by 1001, what I will get? Because 10 cube mod 1001 is minus 1, right? 10 to the power 6 mod 1001 will be what, Manali? Plus 1. So this will become, this part will become plus 1, and this will be as it is 23, and this will become plus 10 cube mod 107 will be what? Minus 1, right? Hence this part will become negative 714, right? And what about this part? This part is as it is positive. Now you are saying positive, negative, positive. That is why you see alternate positive, negative sign. Okay. And whatever be the divisibility of 7, the same divisibility will be followed by 11 and 13 also, because these three make 1001. Okay, so 7, 11, 13, they will share same divisibility. Now divisibility of 11 is what? Alternate sum of alternate positive and negative also, right guys? 11 follows both the divisibility rules. You can either do it by this method, make pair of threes and alternate plus and minus, or you can take by single digit that we have discussed in basic divisibility, right? This is the concept behind this divisibility. Okay, let's see what is the concept behind 999 and 999. Very similar concepts. What about 9, everyone? For 9, if I take 10 mod 9, what is 10 mod 9? This is 1, right? 10 mod 9 is what? 1. So in this, what I will do? I will convert everything into 10. That is why, suppose if this is a number, what I will do? 2 into 10 to the power 7, if I have broken it like this, then this will also be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Everything will be 1. So you have got simply the sum of all the digits. That is why you say that for 9, I am taking sum of single digits at a time. Is this clear to everyone? About 7, 11, 13, about 9. Any doubt till here? What is the concept behind divisibility? It is easy to learn the formulas, but this is the concept behind it. Is it clear, everyone? Till 9, is it clear? Bharat, for 9, what is the case? 10 mod 9 is what? 1, right, Bharat? Right. So again, let me take this number only. So I have to take this number mod 9, right? I can break it. This smaller number mod 9 plus this 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 mod 9 and so on, right? So what is 10 to the power 7 mod 9, Bharat? 1, because 10 mod 9 is 1. Okay. So this will simply become what? Addition of all the digits, right? Okay. What about 99? What will happen with 99? Same thing will happen. 100 mod 99 is what? 1. So you will make pairs of 100. So if you are making pairs of 100, alternate sign का नहीं समझ, इसमें कहाँ alternate? In 7 alternate sign समझ नहीं आया, प्रियम. 7 में नहीं समझ में आया alternate sign. Priyam, see, what I'm doing in 7 was, I've already showed you that if you're dividing 1000 mod 1001, that is -1. That 1000 mod 1001 is -1, right? Here, aa gaya. Very good. So just pay attention a little bit more. But if there is any doubt, then do ask me. But be attentive in the class, because if you are not attentive, then you will miss some important things that I'm telling you. Similarly, what will happen with 99? 100 mod 99 will be 1, right? So we'll make pairs of 100. That is why in 99 what we do, we make pair of 2 digits. 56, 42, 71, 23. You will add all these. Okay. Similarly with 999 what you will do, because 1000 mod 999 is 1, we make pair of 3 digits and add it. 256, 714, 23. Right? Yes, Sashank, that's what I'm telling you. 7, 11 and 13, they will follow this divisibility rule. कि 3 का pair बनाओ and make alternate plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay, this is the reason behind it. Why 7, 11 and 13 follows this rule. 9 will follow this rule, and this is the reason behind it. 99 will follow this rule, and yeah, 999 will also follow this rule. Okay, 999 comprises of what? 27 into 37. See guys, that is why I've told you, right, in the basic divisibility part, that learn of 27 and 37 you have to take 3 at a time and add all these. I've told you this is the reason behind it, why we are taking 3 at a time and adding. Okay, is it clear? Interesting question, PM. Check whether it is a prime number or not quickly. Is that number that you have given me, is it a prime number, or there is some divisible of it? Okay, so yeah, till here is it clear, everyone? Any doubts till this point in this advanced divisibility first slide? In basics, you learned what is happening. Here you are seeing the concept why it is happening. Okay, fine. Let's take an example. This mod 7. Tell me the answer. Good, very good. Now this is a really oral question. What you will do is alternate plus minus, right? So that's what I've written here in note. Whenever remainder is 1 with 1000, then divisibility is sum of 3 digits. I've already explained you the concept, taking 999, 99 and 99, 99. So what is the conclusion? That if there is any number related to 10 or 100 or 1000, like 10 mod 9 is what? 1, right? I've related 9 to 10. About 11, 10 mod 11 is what? -1. That is the reason we are taking alternate positive negative for 11. Okay, what is 100 mod 99? Again it is 1. That is why we are making pair of 2. 1000 mod 99, 1. We are making pair of 3. This is just a conclusion of whatever we have discussed. First of all, I am asking a question to everyone. This is 999, right? So what you will do, how many pairs will you make? Till this is 600 digits. Okay, so in this way this is repeated till 600 digits. Pair of 3, exactly. You will make pair of 3. From which side? From the right side, not the left side. We can make pairs from left side, but there is a certain thing attached to it, which we will see, look into it in the future. Don't worry. So first thing that you will do is you will make pair of 3s. So there are how many digits? There are 600 digits. So how many pairs? 200 pairs will be formed, right? There are 600 digits and 200 pairs will be formed. What I will do? 364 plus 364 plus 364 plus 364 and so on, right? So the question becomes 364 into 200 mod 999. I hope this is clear to everyone. For the current standards that we are on, multiply it and take out the answer. Once we have learned about remainder theorems, then you need not multiply it. Okay, we will find an easier method for you. But right now, multiply it and just divide it by 999. The remainder you will get is 872. Okay. Post today's class, so I am hoping to cover 2 to 3 topics in today's class. Post today's class, we will start with remainders, and then we will start with remainder theorem. like the Euler theorem, Comet theorem, Chinese remainder theorem, and so on. Okay. So I hope this question is clear. Let's move to the next question. Thank you, Priyam. See, Priyam, हर चीज का there is a reason, right? So you should actually know the reason of everything in arithmetic. And yes, for some time, it really happens when I ask you to learn formulas, but you should know reason about everything as much as possible. Okay, solve this question. Okay, guys, this is what mod 99. Now you guys know that we will take pair of what, 2 digits. So there are how many digits? 300 digits. So 150 pairs will be formed. This will be 33 into 150 mod 99. This number is completely divisible by 99. Answer is 0. Clear, everyone? Anyone, if they are facing any doubt, then do interact with me. If there is any doubt, anyone in this question that we have solved. Chalo, let's move to the next question. Achha, before that, let me tell you one theorem also. I'm assuming 2 numbers here. Let's say, yeah. So before coming to this question, I was saying something. Let's take an example of 2 questions. Let's say 18 mod 4. What is 18 mod 4? Everyone, what will be the answer? 2, right? Now, this is 18 divided by 4. If I want to cancel divided by 2 on both the sides, this becomes 9 mod 2, right? Now, what is the answer? 1, right? So, whenever, if you are solving questions in mod, and whenever you are doing these things, if you are dividing it by some number, then the number that you have divided it by, you have divided it by 2, right? Multiply the final answer by 2. The answer will be 2 in this case, as you already know. Okay. Why this is happening? This is only happening because here what you have done. Yeah. Why this is happening? Because see, you have to divide 18 by 4. This will give 4 to the 16 and remainder will be 2. But Bharat, what you did instead, you divided 9 by 2. You changed this question, right? You changed it, and you, by what factor you change it? The same factor, into 2. So that is why this difference is coming. You are getting a remainder of 1 here. Instead, you would have gotten a remainder of 2. Okay. Now let's solve this question. What is the answer to this question, guys? Mod 27. What is the divisibility of mod 27? Taking pair of 3, right? This is 180 digits. So how many pairs? 60 pairs. So what is this? 425 into 60 mod 27. Okay. So this is nothing but 425 into 60 divided by 27. Let me divide it by 9. 3 nines are 320. I have divided this by this 3. Okay. Now whatever the final answer, to make it easy, see, we haven't seen as of now Euler's or any other theorem. So I'm relying on the basic part of this remainder calculation. This is the very basic part, that how we do it. Once we have seen these theorems, sometimes it will be easy. So now you can easily calculate it, right? Just multiply it and divide it, or calculate this remainder separately, and multiply it. Okay. So what you will get in this scenario is, I guess you're getting 4. And because you divided it by 3, so 4 into 3 will be 12. Clear, everyone? See how to solve it separately. This is 425 into 20 divided by 9. Okay. What is 425 divided by 9? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 divided by 9 is 2. Hence this is 2 into 20 mod 9 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Because I have divided it by 3, 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? Is this calculation clear? What I did this, the divisibility of 9 is addition. I added it simply, nothing else. Multiply करके बताना. Okay, let me multiply it. अगर इसको मैं multiply करूँगा तो what will it become? 8500, right? Divided by 9. This will again give me the same answer as 4. Because 8 plus 5 is what? 13. So 13 मतलब 4, right? अरे उतना लंबा क्यों करना है? Why you want me to multiply 425 into 60 and then divide it by 27. You can do it if you want to, but why you want me to do this calculation? This will be somewhat hectic, right? You will divide. See, what is 400 into 6? 400 into 6 is what? 2400. 25 into 6 is what? 200. So just add, this will become 2600. In 200, 26,000 divided by 27. Okay. Can we not apply the same rule again on the product? I didn't get you. Same rule on the product as in? Yes, you can. You can. No issues in that. You will get your answer. Okay, you are making some silly mistakes. Do check for it. Okay, so I hope this calculation part is clear to everyone. Right? We have divided it by 3. So this I've calculated separately, this I've calculated separately. This 4, because I divided it by 3, I multiplied it by 3, answer is 12. Right? Next question. What will be the answer to this question? I'll give you a hint now. I'll not solve it because I've got, there are too many different answers here. See, what is the divisibility of 13? 7, 11 and 13, they have same divisibility. Why? Because the product is 1001. What is the divisibility? You will take 3 digits at a time, right? You will take 3 digits at a time. 1 is final. Okay, Rahul, let's see. So you will take 3 digits at a time, and what you will do is alternate plus and minus, right? I hope this much is clear. If this is 543, 345. Let again 543, 345. Again 543, 345, and so on. This is repeating like this, right? Then, yeah, if this is repeating like this, and it is still 600 digits. So I can say this pairing is still 600 times 543, 345. If I've taken these 6 digits as a cluster, right? So this is plus, this is minus, and this will be repeated how many times? 100 times. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear, everyone? That this plus, alternate plus minus, and this will be into 100. Till here, is it clear? Okay. Now solve it. Now don't make a silly mistake. Now solve. So what is this? Minus 198 into 100 mod 13, right? So what is minus 198 mod 13? So if I am dividing 198 by 13, the remainder that I will get is minus 3, because this is a minus, and the remainder will be minus 3 into what will be 100 mod 13? Nothing but minus 4, right? So this will become 12. Your answer to this question becomes 12. Very good. You have everyone has got 12 now. That is good. Next question. Solve. Meanwhile, enjoying the classes on numbers, guys. Is it interesting? Unlike other topics, unlike TSD, probably. What's the answer now? Don't make silly mistakes. Again, I will give you a hint. Check your answers again. See, what you will do. This is mod 101. Now we know the concept, right? 100 mod 101 is what? Minus 1. Hence, we will take pair of 2 at a time with alternate plus and minus. So here what we will do, observe 54, 35, 54, 35, 54, 35, and so on. So this will be plus, this will be minus, right? So what I will get here, I've taken 4 at a time and 200 digits, hence this will be 50 pairs. Now solve it. This will be minus 19 into 50 mod 101. What will be the answer? Everyone, what should be the answer? Anyway, this is the calculation part. I've already explained to you in the previous question. Don't make a silly mistake. Just multiply and divide by 101. You will get your answer. Answer should be 60. Don't make any silly mistakes. Let's go to the next question. Solve. You can. Not an issue, because it is remainders, right? You can. In remainders, you can. You can convert it and write. The answer will be same. What should be the answer to this question? Okay, so what is the answer to this question? Yeah, this is mod 99. So we have to make pairs in 2. So this plus this plus this plus this. So this is a very simple question in 20, 40, 60, 69, 72 is your answer. Okay. Why I have included this question? Right now, we are taking everything from the right hand side. What if I want to take this pairing from the left hand side? What will happen then? Pay attention. I hope this is clear to anyone. Everyone, is there any doubt? Anyone in this case, the right hand side case? If not, then let me discuss the left hand side case. So if I'm taking it from the left side, what will happen? Again, I will make a pair of 2, right? So 32, 32, 32. And this is getting left alone. Just leave it. Forget about it. Okay, just leave this 3. What will be the addition of these? I have to add this, right? What will be the addition? Quickly tell me. What value will you get? Quickly. 96, right? Now, what you will do, this number which you have left earlier, you will copy it here. And you will say that this is 963 mod 99. Okay. You will not add it. You will simply just put it here. What is the concept behind it? Again, you can check it by separating the numbers. You will get this thing, right? And do check it. I've explained you from the right concept of this from right hand side. Check the concept from left hand side. Similar concept. Just add these numbers. You will get 96. Place 3 here. You will get 963. Okay. And now you can simply again find the remainder. The answer will be 72. Okay. Yes, exactly. 96 into 10 plus 3. That's what we are doing, Mukul. Exactly. That's why I said just place this number here. Okay. So this is how you can approach any question from left hand side. And here we are approaching from right hand side. Chalo, let's move to the next question. Solve. See, just now we have seen this rule of approaching from left hand side. We can also approach from right hand side, but isn't approaching from left hand side much easier in this case, guys? Because see, there are 302 digits, not 300 digits. So 2 digits will be left. And what will be those digits? 34, right? 34 will be left. So it is easier to approach from left hand side. From left hand side, it will be 345. I'm making a pair of 3 into 100 mod 999. This is simple. You will get this as 534. Just place the next 2 digits now. So this becomes 534, 34 mod 999. You will get your answer as 487. Clear? This is how we have approached it from the left hand side. We can also approach it from the right hand side. You will get the same answer. Do try it from the right hand side. Raghu, I've just now told you how to approach from the left hand side. Was that clear, Raghu? So this is 999, Raghu, right? This is 999. So this is 9. So Mukul, for that we will learn the remainder theorems. Don't worry. Okay. For that we will learn remainder theorems further. Right now you just multiply and divide it. Okay. Right now, as of now. There is also one other way that you can do it. You can break it into 4 into 25. You can utilize 4 for this. That will make your task easy. Okay. Also, there are other methods, other formulas that we see further in remainders. Don't worry, we will get there. I don't want to tell everything right now because that will make a chaos. Right. So Rahul, what I was saying is, yeah, we will make pair of 3s. Why? Because this is 999. So the base becomes 1000. So we will take a pair of 3s. Now I'm approaching it from the left hand side. So this becomes 345 into 100. Right, Rahul? Mod 999. Right? So this gives me 534. Supriya and everyone else also, we can break mod as per my convenience. Okay, I can break mod as per my convenience. Don't worry. Right. So what happened? Yeah. So I will take out this. This comes out to be 534. What are the remaining 2 digits? The remaining 2 digits are 34. Right. So 534 and I place 34 here. Then again I calculate the mod. Answer is 487. 34 500 plus 45. Why plus 45? Akshay. If we leave 34, yes, if we leave 34, we are left with 100 pairs. Exactly, we are left with 100 pairs of. You are approaching it from the right hand side, Rahul. Yes, you can approach it from the right also, from the left also. From the left, it's much easier because you can easily visualize it from the left. I hope this is clear to everyone. Any doubt, anyone?